Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the Vivo V40 SE, a smartphone that's redefining what we expect from mobile technology. With its groundbreaking 250MP camera, massive 6,500 mAh battery, and stunning 144Hz AMOLED display, the Vivo V40 SE is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone looking for a high-performance device that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Let's explore what makes this phone so special. The Vivo V40 SE is a testament to Vivo's commitment to innovation and affordability. Known for pushing the boundaries of mobile photography, Vivo has outdone itself with the 250MP primary camera, offering unparalleled detail and clarity. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light shots, this camera delivers professional quality results. The multi-camera setup also includes an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 2MP depth sensor, ensuring versatility for every photography need. But the V40 SE isn't just about the camera. Its 6.7-inch AMOLED display, with a 144Hz refresh rate, offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling, making it perfect for gaming and media consumption. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset and 12GB of RAM, this phone ensures fast and efficient performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. Battery life is another standout feature. The 6,500 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, even with heavy gaming or media consumption. And with 66W fast charging, you can quickly power up and get back to using your phone without long waits. The design of the Vivo V40 SE is equally impressive. Its premium build features a glossy glass back and an aluminum frame, making it both durable and stylish. Available in midnight black, aurora blue, and crystal white, this phone is as beautiful as it is functional. So, what do you think about the Vivo V40 SE? Are you excited about its 250MP camera and 144Hz display? Or do you think it's overkill for a mid-range smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future technology.